It's fun! The clock doesn't work properly, so we're smashing it. Zach got stopped by the cop, and the cop kept asking him why is he smashing the clock. That was hilarious. Wait, take the cord off. Are you gonna rip the cord out? Do it. I dare you to. Torture it! Brutal. Did it bust it open?
Wow.
Did it bust it open? Oh, pull the insides out. Pull the insides out. Oh shit.
Dude, that's old.
Yeah, it's a really old school. Cut the wires. Cut the wires. Nope. Yeah, here. Wire cutters. Or not. Take the speaker. Cut the speaker by the wires over here. Cut the speaker out, like right there. Here, cut the speaker. I'm recording it. You forgot the other one. Oh well.
Wow.
Yeah. One of those. That's how it turned, you know.
Oh crap. What's sorry, dude? He's at my house, so he don't know about my knock.
Oh. Look at all this shit. He's just crunching at it. Zach. Your editor is gonna be mad about that.
It's broken. That's why.
Oh, well, it ain't completely broken. The clock's still broke.
Yeah, but I got a clock.
You know that could have went for like at least $1,000 by itself. You're trying to rip out the clock, really. It's kind of funny how we're just sitting here recording it too. If it has a battery, let's take it. There's a piece of it over there. Fuck. This thing does not want to give up, does it? Oh, you cracked even this.
It's command and charge.
I bet that cop's gonna come back
What's for?
to stop you. Or not, I'm not sure. I hear him talking.
Come after me, I don't give a crap.
Wait. Zach. Hang on. I thought we talked about this.
What?
Where is it? Where did it go?
Look at these.
Oh yeah. So we got these little box things that has these hard drives in them. They're 2 gigs each. I'm looking for the hammer right now. Zach, where do you put the hammer?
I don't need the hammer.
Oh, you're just going ham. Hey Zach, you want to move that into the... What the fuck did you do?
Wow.
Hell.
I love a school.
Yeah, it gives you a whole bunch of stuff to play with.
And smash.
You forgot a few.
Okay. That can go in the dumpster and I'm done.
Well, aren't you gonna get the rest of these? Oh,
We said put it in the trash. I had a trash guy kid. He would have been so mad. Right here.
There's more of them. Look at this.
Look how.
My turn. Hold the camera. Wait. Okay, hang on. Oh, damn. I forgot the wires. I took it off. I was gonna be like a monkey.
I'm at these. The rest you can have.
Are you sitting here recording this?
Yeah, it's good.
Well, how about one shot?
Nah. Hey, bye, man.